Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 4th to 8th May 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.23% negative move, 1.35707 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion of what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good medium body bullish candle with a medium body and a small medium lower wick and a big upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 5260 level, which is indicating as a slight negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So currently, if you see, one day candle with a direct support and direct resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. These levels we have already marked during a previous week analysis. So these are sufficient to trade for the next week as well. So now let's talk about the closing first. So 1.35707 was the closing here. The direct support is 1.35663. Direct resistance is 1.35862. After direct support, there is a support of 1.35390 and then 1.35159. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.36129 and then 1.36352. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. So do mark these levels as well on your chart. If you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I've also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take maximum discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, you can use the link given in the description as well as the coupons which is available in the description. Also, if you think these platforms have a very strict rules for trading, then you can also open your live account where you can put your own capital and directly trade on Forex market. I have already given a link of GTC FX, which is a Dubai based broker, but it is very important or which is very helpful for Indian traders, because these GTC FX helps Indian traders to trade from their bank to bank deposit and withdrawal, as well as you can directly do it from crypto to crypto, like depositing crypto and withdrawing crypto. Even you can use your Indian bank, there is no issue with that as well. Even there are no problem with taxation as well. If you're interested, then you can use the link given in the description. If you have any questions, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number as well. Let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive momentum in this range, that is 1.35862 to 1.36129. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range if and only if 1.35862 gets breached and a 4-hour one-day candle gets closed above this, then I will go for a long till this level as a target till this level. But if you are going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once this level, which is 1.35663, or this level, which is the Friday's low. Friday low was 1.35642. If this gets breached with a 4-hour one-day candle closing, then you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectations bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.